it has been 10 days since I bought these violets and took video, and after 10 days you see how they look. They're all healthy and surviving, living. Nothing happened with these violets. They are getting better. They have better look now, and this violet finished its blooming, and this one, which had decayed leaf in the middle, in the center, still alive. It didn't die. And these ones, you see, they are blooming, and that one started blooming too. It has purple flowers, beautiful flowers. And this one, it's blooming also. It has pretty flowers. That's why I recommend for the beginners who wants to grow African violets to start from this kind of violets. If something happens, they didn't pay much. And you see here, this is my violet. I didn't buy this. I propagated it from the leaf, and this is its second bloom. And I will show you how many buds it has. It has lots of buds, and I think it will fill this its top with blooms. You see how many it has? Full of buds. From every side. It's filling the top with the buds. You see, from every side it's growing its buds, and you see how beautiful flowers it has. These are my first propagated violets. I took video, I think, about this. It was how I call that video. My violet baby started blooming, I think so. And in that video I showed that they just started growing their buds, but that time it had few buds. Now you see it's second blooming, and it's very pretty violet. Thanks for watching. Bye.